Hi everyone, this is Anamika Sharma from 7HP Independent Company, Shimla, Himachal Pradesh. I want to thank you, Mr. Ankit Pal Singh sir, for conducting the online training for SSB. It was a great opportunity for us to learn from him. It was a great session. He watched us meticulously. We learned a lot from him. These sessions make us truly ourselves, that how to, and he also taught us that how to conduct yourself in SSP training camp. Thank you so much sir for this session, for giving your valuable time and teaching us a very important things about our career and how to pursue things and how to be truthful.
Jai Hind. I, LFC Karthik from 1HP Air Squadron NCC Kullu. I am very thankful to Ankit Pal sir because they delivered a 7 days online SSB session. They teach us lots of things, lots of technique, lots of masterpieces, and they also teach us be a practical and a simple man. Thank you, sir. I will give you the best result for these efforts, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Jai Hind everyone, I Under Officer Ritika Dhiman from 6 HP Independent Company NCC Una. I'm going to share my experience regarding this online SSB training. I have learned many new things in this SSB training, whether it may be procedure of SSB, the group task, group discussion, SRT, etc. and all other stuff related to SSB. I want to thank Ankit Pal sir and the organizer Shimla Group who gave me such wonderful opportunity to learn all the stuff related to SSP. I again want to thank Ankit Pal sir who gave us wonderful training and share many inspiring experiences with us in just 7 days. Thank you very much.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Cadet Gaurav Thakur from 7HP Independent Company NCC शिमला। इस पेंडेमिक सिचुएशन में हमारे शिमला ग्रुप एनसीसी ने एक ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव लिया अपने कैडेट्स को एसएसबी के लिए ट्रेन करने का, और अंकित पाल सर के द्वारा 7 दिनों तक हमें एसएसबी की बेसिक ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग दी गई। इस ट्रेनिंग में मुझे बेसिकली ये पता चला कि एसएसबी रियलिटी में है क्या है, एसएसबी का क्या मतलब है, एसएसबी के असेसर्स आप में क्या खोजना चाहते हैं। और इससे ये कंक्लूजन निकला कि एसएसबी एक हॉलिस्टिक टाइप के पर्सन को चाहती है, ना कि एक कन्फाइंड अप्रोच के पर्सन को। तो अब मुझे ये पता चला है कि मुझे अब किस डायरेक्शन में एफर्ट्स करने हैं। इससे पहले मैं बहुत ज़्यादा कन्फ्यूज़न में था कि आखिर किस डायरेक्शन में हमें जो आगे अपनी प्रिपरेशन करनी चाहिए। सो आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू माई शिमला ग्रुप एनसीसी एंड ऑल्सो वेरी थैंकफुल टू अंकित पाल सर।
Jai Hind sir, I am Cadet Ipshita Rana from 4HP Independent Company NCC Hamirpur. Basically, I am from district Kangra, Himachal Pradesh. I completed my plus 2 from St. Paul's Senior Secondary School, Palampur. Now, I am pursuing my graduation from NSCBM Government Postgraduate College, Hamirpur. I attended the online training session of SSB by Ankit Pal sir. He told us many things like introduction, interview basics, how to show strength and weaknesses in a positive way. He taught us that do whatever you like. He did not told us that do this, do that. He told us that be real, just be perfect in your own way. Don't copy others. And I am very thankful for him that he taught us so many things. And I think I am very thankful for this opportunity that I had with him. Thank you so much.
Jain sir, I am Cadet Vikas Chambial from 9 HP Battalion NCC Dalhousie, and I want to thank Ankit Pal Singh sir for giving us the precious time and pointing us the mistakes and the things which on which we all have to work on. This online session was too much productive and beneficial, sir. Thank you so much for that, and I hope that we could learn more from you. Thank you so much, sir. Jain.
Jai Hind to all. I'm Cadet Anu from 8 HP Battalion Rampur Bushar. First of all, I would like to thank 2 HP Boys Battalion Mandi who organized this SSB training. Thank to OC sir, and many thanks to trainer Mr. Ankit Pal sir. Sir, you told us so well about SSB, and I am so glad I got this opportunity. You told us show yourself as we are. Don't follow someone, don't copy someone. You told us very clearly about PPDT, chat, VAT, SRT, STGD, group task. You told us that our initiative should be right and we should be constructive in every way. You told us that assessor look at basic things like honesty, organizability, and intellectual courage inside us. You have taught us a lot things. We are thankful you, sir. You told us so much basic things. Thank you so much again, sir. You are my first SSB guru. We have full faith in SSB system. Thank you, Jai Hind.